Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make 2025's digital challenges a breeze. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Google Chrome. It keeps opening PDF files right in the browser, which can be annoying if you want to download them instead for better organization or editing. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who deals with a lot of documents, this quick fix will save you time and frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you're using the latest version of Google Chrome in 2025. Open your Chrome browser and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing Chrome to work just the way you want. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu. This section is all about protecting your data and controlling how sites behave. Next, under Privacy and Security, find and click on Site Settings. Here, you'll see options for how Chrome handles different types of content. Now, look for Additional Content Settings and click on it. Scroll until you find PDF Documents. By default, Chrome might be set to open PDFs automatically in the browser. To change this, toggle the switch or select the option that says something like Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them online. Save your changes, and you're good to go. Test it out by clicking on a PDF link. Instead of opening in a tab, it should now prompt you to download the file. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're updated to the latest Chrome version, as interfaces can evolve. There you have it, a simple tweak that puts you in control of your PDFs. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.